to show you some of the features of the Rug Doctor Mighty Pack. It's MP R2C. These were rental machines. They're Vibravac blue ones. The small ones are exactly the same. And you'll see that in repairing these one-piece Rug Doctors, they're all basically the same. First of all, this dome is easily replaced. There's two clips on each side. You pop them out and you'll be able to remove this hose. And of course, if you need one, we have these new ones available. If you want to replace the vacuum, you remove the bucket. And for the sake of time, I've already removed the screws, but there's 3 screws in the front. And when you pop the handle, you'll find there's 2 on the back. Once you remove these 2, you just lift the lid off this way. And this exposes the vacuum. And you'll find there are 3 Phillips screws. You just pull that out. On some of the Rug Doctor Easy ones, it's a 3/8 or 7/16 nut that you have to back off, and you just pop the vacuum off. If you need to replace the switch on the top, it's pretty simple. You just remove the lid and you'll pop this off. This is a center off switch. And you'll find that we have those center off switches on eBay. This is what it looks like. It's white, whereas these are black. Now, as far as the vacuum motors are concerned, they have a rather cheap vacuum motor. Here's the one that we can replace. That's not what we use. We use this 18007 on our rental equipment. It's much more durable. It cools much faster than this, and so you'll get a longer life. Obviously, this is a little more expensive. You'll find these on eBay, or you'll find this more expensive one on our website, and you can just type in the number 18007 and pop that up. If you're looking for the one that's about half that price, you can email me at sjclean@netzero.com. Now, if you need to replace the pump or the brush motor, you'll find there's 3 screws on the back, and then when you tip this up, there's a screw here which holds a wire on, and then you'll find 3 on each side. And in so doing, you'll be able to set the machine on its side, and you'll expose where the brush motor is, and that's 2 5/16 bolts on this side, and it'll just pop the brush motor out. They're pretty simple, and you'll find we have these brush motors, both new and used, on eBay. While we're discussing it, this vacuum slot, as you can see on this machine, which just came out of the rental field not too long ago, how clogged it is. We recommend a hole saw like this to pull the debris out, and that'll keep it from getting clogged. Sometimes hair or dirt. I've even seen someone suck up a piece of a chicken bone in one of those. Now, as far as the pump is concerned, it's a little more difficult to get to. You have to remove this hose, and there's several ways to do it. What I just do is take a screwdriver and pop the flange in and pull it out, and it's pretty simple to replace. Here's the Rug Doctor pump. It too, it's a little tighter to get to. You have to remove these hoses first, and then you can pull the pump out. The pump that we sell is a little better quality pump. It's a flow jet. It'll fit in there quite easily. And when it's time to reinstall it, you just screw the 2 elbows out. You put the pump in place, screw the elbows on, hook the hoses on, and then you're good to go. And then, of course, to reassemble it, you can take this off and you insert it with the hose. And of course, you have to put these bolts back in place, and you're ready to go. I hope you found this video helpful. These machines are very easy to work on once you get used to it. In the future, we're going to have a few videos on how to change the little trigger switch up at the top. But if you have any questions meanwhile, feel free to email me at sjclean@netzero.com. Thanks for watching.